Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the blend feature on Instagram, also known as the shared reels. And just a quick heads up, by the way, this feature is still rolling out, so it might not be available in all regions yet. So you want to make sure to keep your Instagram updated so you don't miss it when it becomes available. So, with that out of the way, let's get started. So, first, what is Blend? It's basically a shared Reels feed inside your DMs where you and your friends can watch videos together. Instead of sending Reels one by one, Instagram creates a combined feed based on everyone's interests and activity. So, to start using it, you want to open any chat, and this can be a one on one conversation or even a group chat, and at the top of the screen, you want to look for the blend icon. So you want to tap that, and if it's your first time, it will send an invite to the people in the chat. And once they accept it, your shared feed is created. Now, once you're inside the blend, you'll see a scrollable feed of reels, just like the usual. But here's what makes it different. Each video is recommended based on someone in a group, and you'll actually see who it was suggested for. It makes the whole experience more interactive and fun. You can like, react, and comment on videos just like normal, and those reactions can lead to conversations right inside your chat. It's a much more social way to watch reels instead of just scrolling alone. And another cool thing is that the feed keeps updating as you and your friends interact with more content. The recommendations get better over time. And if you ever want to stop, you can simply leave the blend without leaving the chat itself. So basically, that's it. That's how you use Instagram Blend. Start a chat, invite your friends, and enjoy a shared real experience together. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!